Newly assigned Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon did not make any presentation for the budget deliberations at the House of Representatives, vowing instead to adhere to President Bongbong Marcos' directive to fix the agency's budget. In his opening speech during the House Committee on Appropriations hearing on the Department of Public Works and Highways budget on Friday, September 5, Dizon says he and Budget Secretary Amena Pangandaman will revise, fix, and overhaul, if needed, the proposed 2026 budget after several errors were discovered by lawmakers.
Kami po ni Secretary Mina ay susunod po sa utos ng Pangulo na kailangan nating rebisahin at repasuhin at kung kinakailangan baguhin ang budget po na isinumite ng DPWH. Yun po ang hihingiin ko po sa inyong tulong. Tulungan niyo po kami. Kaya po ngayon, pasensya na po, hindi po ako makakapag-present.
Dizon admits that despite his years in the government, he could not make any sense of the DPWH's budget prepared under former Secretary Manuel Bonoan, who resigned recently.
Aaminin ko po sa inyo, halos wala po akong maintindihan sa gulo ng budget na nakikita ko. Kahit na po matagal na po ako sa gobyerno, marami-rami na rin po akong ahensyang nahawakan. Ako po gitong-gito hanggang ngayon.
With no presentation in hand, Cagayan de Oro's 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez asks that Dizon be excused so that he can focus on fixing what Rodriguez called errors in the budget. However, Appropriations Committee Chairperson and Nueva Ecija 1st District Representative Micaela Swansing says that hearings should continue, noting that members could refer to the proposed budget or the 2026 National Expenditures Program and the budget of expenditures and sources of financing. Calls for budget transparency and investigations of infrastructure projects intensified after President Marcos' strong-worded rebuke of government officials and firms alleged to have taken kickbacks at the expense of flood-hit communities. In the same hearing, the House Committee on Appropriations then defers the discussions on DPWH's budget for 2026 to wait for the errata that will be finalized by the Department of Budget and Management and the DPWH. The next hearing will be held on a date not later than September 16, 2025.